Good morning everyone. I am Aditya and welcome back to the channel. Currently I am in Dwarka. It's 8 am. I come for my morning walk here. Our breakfast will be ready at 8:30 am. So we'll have our breakfast and we'll be leaving to Junagadh. Junagadh is around 4-hour drive from here. We will even get Porbandar. Even though I have visited Porbandar in my previous trip, I'll try to see if we can go to Porbandar and stop there. Otherwise we'll be directly going to Junagadh. There are a lot of places to cover in Junagadh, such as forts, caves, dam and many temples. So we'll try to cover some of the places. We'll be staying in Junagadh today. Tomorrow we'll try to go to Girnar mountain and then we'll leave to Somnath. I will see you guys either in Porbandar or in Junagadh. We are in a place called Jambuwan Caves. If you are going towards Junagadh or Rajkot, so this is just 8 kilometers off the highway. So you can easily take a deviation from the highway and come here. You can put the place in the maps and the location is accurate. It took us around 2 hours to reach here from Dwarka. So it is easily accessible by road. This place is very huge. You can see that there are many temples. This is a temple of one Swamiji. So there are many temples and in the middle there is a huge tree. There is the entrance for the cave. Jambuwan along with Lord Hanuman and Sage Parashuram to be present for both Lord Rama and Lord Krishna's avatar. He was also present during the churning of earth. So he has seen or he has witnessed all the 9 avatars of Vishnu. Coming to this location, which is the Jambuwan Caves, there is a very good story behind it. So Jambuwan had killed a lion and acquired a gem. This is a very precious gem and it was suspected by everyone that Krishna had did it. So Krishna backtraced it and went to the place. He saw the footprints of a bear. So he found out that okay, this is a work of a bear. So he backtraced and he came to these caves. Once he came inside the cave, he met Jambuwan and they fought for 28 days non-stop, day and night. So after 28 days, Jambuwan got tired and then he realized that this is Lord Krishna, who is the avatar of Vishnu. So he gave up the fight and he gave the gem to Lord Krishna and even his daughter Jambuwati to marry for Lord Krishna. There is a very interesting thing about the cave itself. When you go inside the cave, it is a very narrow route. Inside the cave, there are other multiple cave openings. We did not go there because it was not lit and we think it is restricted to public. There are many water droplets which are falling from the caves or from the walls of caves. So this will form as a shivling. So we have already seen inside that some of the water droplets have already formed shivling and some are under the process. So if you go inside the cave, even you could see it. Since photography and videography is not allowed inside the cave, I didn't take any videos. There are multiple shivlings everywhere that happen due to the water droplets falling. Inside the cave, the surrounding is very cool. You will not feel any hot, which we are feeling right now. I highly recommend if you are coming this way, please stop here. It will take at maximum 30 minutes. So you can stop here. There is no crowd. So you can come here and visit. We already crossed Porbandar. So we stopped only here. Now we'll leave to Junagadh, which is again 2-hour drive, and maybe we'll have lunch after reaching Junagadh. So we just came to our room. It is around 2:30. We already had our lunch, which is nearby to our hotel. So it was easy, just walkable distance. And lunch was amazing. All the items were really good. So if you are coming to Junagadh, you can go and have lunch there. We'll take rest now and then we'll be going for local sightseeing. Right now it's 4:30. We left our hotel and came for local sightseeing. So this is the first spot, which is Damodar Kund. So there is a huge pond kind of a thing. And there is a temple also. Some people are bathing here. so if you want you can go for a swim. Right now we are going for the temple, and there you can see the Girnar mountains. Climb the stairs from the Kund, and there is Radharaman temple here. Photography is not allowed inside. There are not much crowd here. Only in the Kund there are many people swimming, but here it is empty. And from here you will get a very good view of the Girnar mountains as well. It is just near the main road to Girnar mountains. So in front of the road is the Kund, and if you climb the stairs you will get this temple. This is the Kund. It goes all the way till there. So there is a small falls. So if you are interested you can go there for swimming. We are in Bhavnath Taleti. So Bhavnath is a locality in Junagadh. This is where the Girnar mountain is existing, and if you have to climb on foot to Girnar mountains, this is where you will be starting. Here is another temple, so we came here to visit the temple. Right now we will drink some tea here, and then we will go and visit the temple. After having tea, we came to Bhavnath Mahadev temple, which is a shrine at the base of Mount Girnar. The Shiva Ling here is said to have emerged of its own divine intention. After visiting the temple, we came to Bharti Ashram. Since this is very close to the starting point of Girnar Hills, if you are coming for Girnar Yatra, you can book the rooms here and stay. From this ashram, you can get a clear view of Girnar mountain. From the naked eye, the cable cars are visible, so it will go till the top where the Ambaji temple is there. So then you have to go down and again climb up for the next mountain. Dam, it is known as Wellington Dam, and currently it is 6 o'clock. This dam is located outside of city limits. When you enter the area of this dam, you will feel like you are coming inside a forest because it's full of greenery and it's fully dark as soon as you enter, and the atmosphere also changes. You will be greeted by wonderful cool breeze. So right now we are just climbing the stairs and we'll go to the top of the dam. So there is our car, and we climbed a little bit of stairs, then this slope, and from there the dam actually starts. So this is a very long passage, so you can go from one end to other end, and on the other end you will have these eatery stalls and some rocks where you can climb and you can sit, because there is no benches here to sit and see the view. So what you could do is you could go near the eatery stalls where they have put up some chairs, or you can go near the rocks and climb them and sit there. You can easily spend at least 30 to 40 minutes here because there are not many people here. Even if people are there, since this passage is long, you won't feel like you are in a crowd. So it is a bit spacious, so you can just relax here. The only issue is there is no place to sit. There are no benches here, so only place to sit is near the food stalls or near the rocks there. This is the perfect time to come here because you will be able to see the sunset, and it is a very cool place. So after you roam around the city in the morning in this scorching heat, so in the evening, maybe after 4:30, you can come here and you can relax. You can watch the sunset and you can watch the water on the other side. So you can even see the Girnar mountains from here. The water flows between these two mountains. So when you go to the top of Girnar mountain, you can actually see the mountains on the other side and the river flowing in between. So once you cross the city, you can see that the whole place is covered with trees. So it is full of greenery. So whenever you enter into this region, you will be feeling the cold climate. After coming to Gujarat, this is the first time I feel like I am in some hill station, because everywhere you see there are a lot of greenery and the temperature is also cool out here. It's around 6:30 right now and we are leaving the dam. If possible, while going we will go to Swaminarayan temple and then we will go to our hotel room. we finally came to Swaminarayan temple. It is in a very congested area, but parking is available in the temple complex and it is crowded as well. So we just came inside and now we will visit the temple. Visited the Swaminarayan temple. There are many idols inside the temple complex, but inside the main temple where Sudarshana and Swaminarayan is there, photography was not allowed, so I couldn't shoot any photos or videos. But apart from that, there are other idols like Hanuman and Ganesha. We went on time because from 7:15 to 8:15 they are closing the doors for Aarti, which is at 8:15. So we went at 7 and we were lucky enough the idols. We came to Mahavat Makbul Palace after Swaminarayan temple, but it was closed due to some renovation work. From there, it's just 200 meters away is this clock tower. We came here and took some photos. Now we will be going to our hotel. We'll have some dinner and rest for the day. Tomorrow morning we have plans to go to Girnar mountain. We have already booked the cable car. So we'll go to Girnar mountain and from there we'll be going to Somnath Ji temple and we'll halt in Somnath tomorrow. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you tomorrow at Girnar mountain.